Hello student, today we have to study the common division method of LCM. How to find the LCM with the help of common division method. Before it, we have studied how to find the LCM with the prime factorization method. But here we have to study how to find the LCM with the help of common division method. So, for finding the LCM with the help of common division methods, we have to follow some steps. When we follow some steps, we can find the LCM of given numbers. What should I do? So, step number first. Write all the numbers in a row separated by comma. First of all, we have to write all the numbers in a row and we have to separate the numbers by using the comma. कामा लगाकर एक रो में सारे नंबर को लिख लेंगे और कामा लगाकर कामा का यूज करके सबको अलग कर देंगे. What is the second step? Second step, select at least prime number which divides exactly at least one of the numbers and divide the row by it. First of all, after first step, we have to take at least prime number that divides exactly at least one number. कोई एक ऐसी संख्या प्राइम संख्या लेंगे जो कम से कम एक संख्या को तो डिवाइड कर ही दे उस रो में, तो उससे हम डिवाइड करते हैं एड रो बाय. तो सेकेंड स्टेप में हम एट लीस्ट नंबर लेकर डिवाइड करते हैं जिसमें एग्जैक्टली कोई नंबर डिवाइड हो उसी नंबर को लेते हैं. आफ्टर दैट राइट द क्वोशेंट एंड फॉलो द स्टेप. आफ्टर डिवाइड यू हैव टू राइट द क्वोशेंट बिलो द. तो डिवाइड करने का जितना क्वोशेंट आता है उसको नीचे लिखते हैं. उसके बाद फिर वही टू स्टेप स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. फिर उसके बाद प्राइम नंबर कोई लेते हैं जो फिर डिवाइड करें. कंटिन्यू दिस प्रोसेस टिल वी गेट वंस इन ऑल. कि तब तक डिवाइड करेंगे जब तक सारे रो में वंस वन नहीं आ जाए. वी हैव टू कंटिन्यू दिस प्रोसेस टिल वी गेट द ऑल वन. सारे एक रो में वन वन आ जाए तब तक ये प्रोसेस जारी रखेंगे. द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ऑल द प्राइम डिवीजन, जितने भी डिवीजन होते हैं उनका प्रोडक्शन, वो प्रोडक्ट जो करते हैं, दैट प्रोडक्ट द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ प्राइम नंबर्स आर कॉल्ड LCM. All these steps here with the help of examples I will show you how to follow these steps and find the LCM. So here find the LCM of 15, 20, 30 by the common division method. So what is the first step? Write all the numbers in a row separated by comma. So we write all the numbers 15, 20, 30 and we have to separate this by comma like this. This is first row and this is the first step. Second step, select at least prime number which divides exactly at least one number. First of all, you have to select at least one prime number. First prime number 20 and 30 and 50. First least prime number is 2. It is divisible by 2 and also it is also divisible by 2. All of you have studied about the divisibility. So here you know how to divide. So 20 and 30 will be divisible. 15 is not divisible, so write as it is. 2 1 are 2, 2 10 are 20. 2 1 are 2, 2 5 are 10. 15. Now repeat the first up. Now you have to take at least number which divides at least one number. So 10 will be divisible by 2. 2, 15 is not divisible. 2 5s are 10, 15. Now after 2 what is the least prime number? After 2, 3. 3 is divisible, 15 is divisible by 3. 3 divides 50, 3 5 the 50, 5 is not divisible, 5, 3 5 the 50. Now 5. Now it is divisible by 5, that is prime number. 5, 5 on the 5, 5 on the 5, 5 on the 5. Now the product, step 5, the products are 2, 2, 3, 5. And step 4, we get window. Here we get 1, 1, 1 arrow. LCM is equal to LCM is product of R prime divisors. Product of R prime divisors. Here LCM is equal to product prime divisors 2, 2, 3, 5. 2 into 3 into 5. 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 5 is 75. Sorry, 60. 2 2 is 4, 3 is 12, 12 5 is 60. So LCM, so hence LCM of 15, 20 and 30 is 60. This is the LCM of the. So in this way, all of you have studied, have learned how to find the LCM by the common division method. In this way, you can find the LCM with the help of common division methods. Now we have to study some property of HCF and LCM. HCF and LCM. Properties of HCF and LCM. So here we have to know what are the properties of HCF and LCM. First, the HCF of two coprime is 1. The first is the HCF of two coprime is 1. HCF of two coprimes is 1. Two numbers are called coprimes if they have no common divisor, then दो नंबर की एक को छोड़कर कोई कॉमन डिवीजर नहीं होता, उनको कोप्राइम नंबर कहते हैं और उनका HCF always is 1. So this is the property of HCF. If two are coprime number, then the HCF of both will be 1. The HCF second is the HCF of given number is not greater than of any of the number. HCF of the given number, HCF HCF of given number number is not greater than the numbers. Any of then any of the numbers. So HCF of any given numbers is not greater than any of the numbers. HCF of given numbers. If you take two numbers and you find the HCF of both, then the HCF cannot be greater than any of the number. यदि दो नंबर हम लेते हैं, दो नंबर का HCF निकालते हैं, तो HCF नंबर के उन दोनों नंबरों से ज्यादा, जैसे 5 and 10, इसका जो HCF होगा 5 10 5 to 10, HCF is equal to 5. So 5 is not greater than 5 or 10. So the HCF of the numbers is not greater than any of the numbers. Numbers में उसे greater नहीं हो सकता, equal हो सकता. But third property is LCM of two or more co-prime numbers is equal to their product. LCM of two or the LCM of two or more co-primes is the product of this product co-prime numbers is equal to their product. LCM of two or more co-prime is equal to their product is equal to their product. LCM of two or more co-primes is co-prime numbers. LCM of two or more co-prime numbers is equal to their products. दो से ज्यादा नंबर हैं, अगर वो co-primes हैं तो उनका जो LCM होगा सारे नंबर का प्रोडक्ट, जैसे 2 3 5, here 2 3 5, ये सारे को-प्राइम, इनका एक भी फैक्टर एक के अलावा नहीं मिलता, तो इसका प्रोडक्ट, इसका एलसीएम क्या होगा 2 into 3 into 5, 2 3 is 6, 6 5 is 30, तो इनका प्रोडक्ट. So this is the third property of LCM. LCM of two or more co-prime number is the equal to their product. Next is property 4. Property 4 is the LCM of the given number is not less than any of the given number. LCM of the given number, the LCM of the given numbers is not less than the numbers. LCM of the given numbers is not less than the given numbers. The LCM of given number is not less than any of the given number. Any of the the given number. So if you find the LCM is not less than the given number. The LCM that you will find, the LCM will not be less than the given. तो LCM जब निकालेंगे आप तो जो नंबर दी गई है उससे छोटा नहीं हो सकते. 15 and 6. Find the LCM. 2 3 is 6. 3 5 is 15. 3 1 is 3. 5 1 is 5 1. LCM 2 into 3 into 5. 2 3 is 6. 5 is 30. 30 is the LCM. It is not less than the given number, any given numbers. 30 is not less than 50 and it is also not less than 6. In this way, LCM of given numbers is not less than any of the given numbers. 5 is if P and Q are two given numbers. If P and Q are P and Q are two given numbers. Are two given numbers. If P and Q are two given numbers such that P is the factor of Q. P is a factor of Q, then dear HCF equal to P and dear LCM. P and dear LCM. LCM equal to Q. P and Q are two given numbers such that P is the factor of Q. Then dear HCF equal to P and dear LCM. HCF is equal to P and dear LCM is equal to Q. So HCF will be, because P and Q are two given numbers such that P is the factor. So HCF is equal to LCM is equal to HCF P and LCM Q. So HCF is equal to P and LCM is equal to Q. Two are given number. तो ऐसी संख्याएं दी गई हैं, पहली संख्या दूसरी संख्या फैक्टर, जैसे 5 and 50, यहाँ दो नंबर्स हैं. 5 is the factor of 50, then LCM is equal to 15. 5 is the factor of 50, so 15. LCM is equal to 5. The factor होता है. In this way you can find the HCF and LCM. 6 is the HCF of given number is always a factor of the LCM. The HCF of given numbers, the HCF of given numbers is the factor of their LCM. The HCF of given number is the factor of LCM. 5 5 and 15. These are two numbers. LCM is equal to 5. LCM is equal to 50. So LCM of given number is the factor of LCM. So this is LCM and this is LCM, and LCM is the factor of 15 because 15 is equal to 3 into 5. 5 is the factor. In this way, LCM of given number is the factor of the LCM. Next is two numbers are given then 6, 7. If two numbers are given, if two numbers are given, then product of two numbers, product of two numbers is equal to HCF of HCF, product of their HCF and HCF, product of their HCF and LCM. This is very important. Product of two numbers is equal to the product of their HCF and LCM. We can show this. This is the property. Product of two numbers, the product of two numbers is equal to the product of their HCF and LCM. Though if you take two numbers, then the product of two numbers is equal to the LCM of two number and the HCF of two number. यदि दो संख्या लेते हैं, उनका LCM और HCF निकालते हैं, तो LCM और HCF को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं और उन दोनों संख्याओं को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो दोनों इक्वल होंगे. संख्याओं का मल्टीप्लिकेशन इक्वल टू LCM और HCF दोनों संख्याओं का इक्वल होता है. LCM इक्वल टू फर्स्ट नंबर into second number equal to LCM into HCF. This is the important formula. You can solve many questions on this formula. First number into second number is equal to LCM into HCF. Suppose that first number you want to find. First number is equal to LCM into HCF. It will transpose into right hand side. Then here it is division and multiplication. In right hand side it will convert into. It is here it is multiplication. It will convert into division in right hand side into second number. Second number is equal to LCM into HCF divided by first number is here multiplication. It will transpose into right hand side and it will convert into division. So first number LCM is equal to LCM is equal to first number into second number divided by here. HCF is multiplication, it will convert into division into LCM. HCF LCM is equal to first number into second number divided by LCM. With the help of all these formula, you can solve many questions. You can solve many questions of LCM and HCM. In this way, all of you have actually the property of LCM and HCM. I think all of you have understood and you can solve many questions based on the HCM and LCM from your exercise book. So it is sufficient for today. So we see in next video with next question. Thanks for today.